Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning off the ability to have post sharing for your stories on Instagram. So if you'd rather people not be able to share those posts, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to be directed to your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon in the top right, and then scroll down underneath how others can interact with you. And you want to select where it says sharing and reuse. So if you want to turn off post and reel and story sharing, for example, just click inside the oval until it's grayed out, and that will turn off that sharing option. And then people will not be able to share your posts and reels to their stories. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And again, you can go underneath versus allow people to create with and reuse your content. You can turn these options off down here too. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.